I have been really stalling on starting this camera because I know once I start it, I'm gonna have a big journey ahead of me. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Amanda. If you're new to my channel, then you probably don't know, but I'm moving to a new apartment in a week. It's the 22nd of July, and I move on the 29th. And the closet in my next place is half the size of this one. So I really need to downsize. That's pretty much the goal of today's video, is I'm gonna get rid of a lot of the things that I don't wear at all. I would donate a lot of these clothes, but you know, with COVID and stuff, a lot of these thrift stores aren't accepting anything. So I'll probably just like sell stuff on my POSHMARK and keep the things that I actually do wear. So yeah, as you guys can see, I have a walk-in closet. I have this dresser with a lot of clothes. Oh my God. I have bins up here of clothes that I really don't like and want to get rid of. Oh geez. Oh my God. And I have these giant bins of clothes, and yeah, I just never wear them, so I keep them in these giant bins down below. So yeah, I definitely have a lot of work cut out for me, but the idea of moving out all of these clothes and taking them with me to a place that just has overall way less storage than I have here, it's just not gonna work out. So I just know I need to get rid of these clothes as fast as possible. So I really wanna take out all of these clothes and then place them on my bed, because I know if it's already like in my closet, I'm gonna think, honestly, I wear this sometimes and I'm just gonna leave it in. But if I take it all out, then I think I'll feel less tempted to actually keep the stuff I don't wear. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I think I'm gonna work in portions because I just took out the tops and I think that was like half the closet already. Yeah, so definitely a lot of clothes. Okay, I'm gonna say this and a lot of you guys are just gonna like scoff or roll your eyes, but I swear, I don't buy a lot of clothes. I know I look like a hypocrite. But let me just say, there's two main reasons why I have so many clothes. Is one, I'm sentimental about my clothing and I just don't like getting rid of it. Even if I don't really wear a clothing item, I think in the back of my head, oh, maybe one day I'll actually wear it. And no, I never do. Number two, I'm in a privileged position and I get free PR. Not a lot of it, unless like a company sponsors me. Which brings me to the sponsor of today's video. I know you guys probably think I'm crazy. Princess Polly sponsored me for today's video, but let me just say, hear me out. I chose certain items from them that I could actually see myself using a lot. I would consider them like staple items, neutral colors, jeans that fit me really well that I could wear multiple times. I know if you're watching this, you're probably like inspired to clean out your own closet, but if you want to buy some more staple items, some cute things, you can use my code AMANDAPP for 20% off your entire order on Princess Polly. If you're ordering within the US, you can get free 2-day shipping on any orders over $50, and then on top of that, they have Afterpay. You can split your entire purchase into 4 interest-free payments, so literally you can pay off your clothes in 8 weeks. I only recommend that though if you're responsible, and you can definitely pay on time. The mentality I'm really trying to promote in this kind of video is out with the old, in with the new. I plan on getting rid of a lot of clothing items in comparison to the ones that Princess Polly sent me. Like I think there's like 7 items in total or 8, but I definitely plan on getting rid of like maybe half of this closet. So I know this kind of seems like counterproductive, but I swear you guys, I am introducing items that I genuinely love, and I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of items that I literally never wear anymore. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna try on a ton of clothes that I don't like.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so I finished with all the shirts finally. I put back the ones that I liked, and I know it looks like I haven't made progress, but look at this. See that? This is a lot, right? Ugh. So yeah, now I'm just gonna take out all of my jackets. The problem is I love wearing sweaters and jackets, and now living in LA, I never get to wear them ever. Like maybe if I'm going out at night, which really isn't happening anymore during quarantine. We gotta minimize the closet, okay? That's the priority. Like literally so many. I don't know how this happened. Do you guys see that? I'm bringing you guys in there. Guys, half of my closet was occupied with jackets. Oh. This is just wow. Just wow. So here we have the monstrosity that I like to call my jacket collection. I'm gonna have to do a big decluttering on this, and I'm really sad. If I end up really liking some coats that I know won't fit in my closet, I'll probably just store them for the time being, but let's do a jacket montage. know this is the most tourist sweatshirt I could possibly own, but like look how colorful it is. It's freaking dope. It's sentimental, so I'm keeping it. Okay guys, I found this jacket. You're gonna love it. So, it's really cute, right? Like, nice wash of the jean. I never wear it because it literally says it's Mandarin. I got this as a gift and I literally just never wear it because it just shouts out my Instagram on the back. I'm kind of like in this torn position of where like, I never wear it, probably can't sell it. Unless one of you guys want it, comment down below, I'll give it to you guys. Hey guys, so before we continue on with the closet clean out, I do want to show you guys the items I got from Princess Polly. My main goal is to just introduce items that I actually see myself wearing all the time. Just to give you guys like an example, I'm getting rid of maybe 5 pairs of jeans, 6, 7, and then I'm replacing them with 2 pairs of jeans from Princess Polly that I absolutely love. I ended up getting 7 clothing items in total, I believe, and I got a few accessories and then 1 pair of boots. So yeah, with all that being said, let's just hop right in. I'm wearing this like oversized t-shirt and it has this like snake on here, or this cobra. I don't know my animals apparently. I'm a big sucker for like oversized tees, so that's why I really wanted this one. I'll put the links for all of the clothing items down below, as well as the sizes that I got. So I got this t-shirt, absolutely love it. I think it's so perfect to just throw on with jeans if you want to do like a casual outfit. Also, is this too bright for you guys? It's really sunny today. I got these hoops. I'm like obsessed. I've like always have been wanting to get, not big, but just like chunky gold hoops. What? Guys, look at that. It's gorgeous. I almost thought about wearing these with this like shirt because like how freaking sick would that be? I know this doesn't really seem like the type of jewelry that you can wear every day, but jewelry, I literally have a tiny little box of it. Like I'm more flexible with my jewelry. I got these necklaces and you can like layer them. So like here's one of them, and then it has this like thinner one that you can add. I just like had a vision because I think I saw Bella Hadid do this. I know it's like, oh my god, Amanda, you're really trying to copy all these models, but Bella Hadid is freaking gorgeous, so don't judge me. I just thought they were so cool. So, you know, your girl had to get some new jewelry while she was at it, you know? All right, next item I wanted to get a cute, comfortable going out top. Of course, with quarantine and this pandemic, no one's going out to the bars right now, especially here in LA. But I did want to get a top that like made me feel sexy, made me feel really confident. Wait, I just realized this is also snake themed. I guess I love snakes. Watch me get a tattoo next. Look at this freaking top. It's so gorgeous. It's like ruched on the bottom half of it and it's double layered where the boobs are. So you don't have to wear a bra, you know, if you're part of the itty bitty titty committee. But down here, it's only single layered. So it's like kind of see-through and stuff. Yeah, so got this top, so obsessed. I could literally see myself using that so often. Here is the first pair of jeans that I got, like an overwashed black jean. They're high-waisted, of course, like gotta do high-waisted, and then the bottoms I'm obsessed with. So they don't flare out a ton. It's kind of like a mix between a flare and a straight leg. They feel dense, like they feel so high quality. It's like when you put on jeans and you know they're thick, it's like whoo. In the front they have like big decent pockets, like my entire hand fits in there, and then in the back of course it has 2 other pockets. I just like hate when you have jeans and like the pockets, you know, they're not large enough to actually hold your shit. It's like, why do you have pockets if they're not useful at all? And guys, these jeans, oh my god, probably my favorite pair in my closet right now. Not exaggerating. The feel of these jeans is very different from the feel of the other jeans. Like the black ones are more dense. Like they're kind of like, you know, when you get a fresh pair of jeans and you have to break them in a little bit before they get comfortable. These ones feel like they're comfortable right off the bat. Like they're a little bit more stretched than the other ones. I'm obsessed with the color too. I think it goes with so many things. They're high-waisted, they're comfortable, they flare out a little bit at the end. So low-key kind of gives the illusion that like my legs are a little bit longer. All right, next clothing item I got is a sweater, and I know I have a problem with sweaters, but the thing is I know I needed a good cardigan because I have a lot of crop tops, sleeveless tops, and don't get me wrong, I love a good crop top, but when it comes to like an everyday outfit, I don't love showing a lot of skin, to be honest. Like I kind of like wearing baggy clothes, so if I ever do wear a crop top, I would want something to cover my shoulders, and that's where these cardigans come in, baby. This one is super super soft and warm and thick, and it's also a little bit more on the cropped side, so it doesn't like really look like a grandma sweater. I mean, it low-key does, me holding it like this, but once you wear it and you have something cute underneath, it really adds to your outfit, especially if you kind of layer it with like chunky jewelry and stuff. Oh, what a look. I didn't realize this until after this came in the mail, but I pretty much got the same color of these sweaters. This is the other one. Like, really? It goes with a lot of things, so I mean, I don't hate myself completely. Also, this one is very thin, so if it was like more of a warmer day, like it usually is in LA, this is the cardigan I would most likely go for. The other one is definitely more for chilly days. But yeah, I just really like it. Same thing, same concept. I would just throw it on top of like a crop top or something, and it would complete my fit. And then this top I've worn so many times already. I'm literally obsessed. It's this tight, small sweater crop top. I think it's so cute. I really like this too because you can adjust the buttons like on the top, so you can like make this as low or as high as you want to. Very stretchy, very comfy. Really, really cute. Could not recommend enough. I love brown bags. The one I have is like more of like an orangey tan. This one is a dark brown, and the shape, I don't own any bag like this. This is so freaking beautiful. I'm going to be using this bag so often. I could see myself using it with so many outfits. Last thing, I got some new boots. How cute are these? What? Like, are we kidding? Like, what? Oh my god, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I have boots that are pretty similar to this, except mine I think are a little bit on the shorter side. Those are my like going out shoes. And if you have your going out shoes, you know what happens to your going out shoes. Alcohol spills on them, it peels off on the bottom, they just get trashed. And those were like some good quality shoes. So I was like, okay, I have my ugly booties that I used to go out, and I need some like quality ones that I can take care of, that I can wear when I actually need to look more presentable, and bam, these are the upgrade. How cute are these? Also, these are non-leather, so if you don't F with leather like me, then bam, for all my vegan friends out there. Oh, and last thing, I forgot. I did get a black belt. I remember I had another one from Princess Polly and I lost it, and I was like, once I move out of this apartment, I know I'm gonna find it, especially when I clean that closet. So I got one that was kind of similar but a little bit different. Probably have worn this like maybe 3 or 4 times already, and I got this stuff last week. So I've been using this a ton. All right, and that was my Princess Polly haul. Again, I wanna thank Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. If you guys want any items for yourself, again, I'll put the links down below. But yeah, with all that being said, let's hop right back into that closet clean out. All right, so I took a little bit of a break earlier, had some lunch, bought a kombucha, needed some, you know, replenishment. We are almost done though. The last project that I really need to work on, my bins. We got this bin right here. Ugh. And we got this bin right here. Ugh. These are the clothes that I like, the ones that I have stored away for like the year I've lived here. Oh, I also have these two. These bins right here are currently my like POSHMARK bins, like clothes that I plan to sell. But the clothes behind the camera right now, there is a mountain. So I know I'm gonna need one of these big bins to like store all the clothes that I plan to sell or donate. I don't wanna buy another giant bin. Like, I'd rather narrow down the clothes that I wanna store in one bin and then put my sell clothes in another bin. So I'm gonna have to narrow it down a lot, get rid of some stuff, maybe give some stuff away to my roommates, I don't know, but we're gonna make it happen. So, see, this is the stuff that gets me. These are my dad's old jackets that he bought like back when he was like in his 20s, you know, exploring the US for the first time. Whew, very nostalgic. And if you're new to my channel, I mean, not to get super sappy, but my dad passed away 3 years ago. So yeah, if I do have any of his stuff, I definitely do plan on keeping it. I'm not gonna donate it or throw it away. If there's not enough space for it in these bins, I'm just gonna give it to my mom next time I see her or next time I go home, and just have her hold these for me, because I'm not getting rid of this. And also, it just looks so dope. Like, I would totally wear this now. All right, so I think I'm just gonna bust through this, blast some music, so enjoy seeing me struggle. All right, you guys, I just finished filling up one of the bins. Here it is. Ain't she a beauty? Look at that. Bam. So those are the clothes I plan on storing. Most of it is really like my dad's old clothes, like jackets and stuff. And then I have like my graduation cap and gown and then like little things like that. And then the things that I'm going to throw away slash donate slash sell, all of these clothes I'm getting rid of. All this stuff. And that too, yeah. Before you guys say, hey, your closet doesn't look any different, that entire pile came out of there, okay? I know my closet doesn't look that much different, but guys, look at this. I organized the tops by like crop tops and stuff, and then I went to like more like actual tops, long sleeves, the sweaters, and then I have like some jackets back there, and then right here I put all of my dresses, and yeah, I pretty much cleared out this entire space, and then I also freed up a lot of space with my jeans. Like now they're like really nice and organized. But yeah, overall, not super bad. I mean, yeah, I feel like I got rid of like maybe a quarter of my clothes. I'll count all the items that ended up getting out of my closet and I'll put it on the screen if I end up doing the math. But it looks like a lot of stuff to me. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Yeah, I think I'm just really excited to get rid of all the clothes that I don't like anymore. Now looking at my closet, I love every single item in there. I know what's in there and I know that I'll actually wear it. Yeah, if you guys are interested in any of the clothing items that I showed, I'll probably end up putting it on my POSHMARK. I think it's just It's Mandarin with 2 N's. But that's it for my closet clean out video. Thank you guys for supporting my channel, watching this video. I love you a ton and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!